Welcome to Printonline.ae. Ever wanted to create a one-of-a-kind design for your custom products? With Canva, it's easier than you think. This video will guide you step by step on how to design like a pro, so you can bring your unique ideas to life. Here's what you'll learn: why designing your own artwork matters, how to create your design effortlessly, how to share your artwork with us. No design experience? No problem. Let's dive in and unlock your creativity. Ready? Let's begin. Let's talk about why designing your own artwork is a game changer. Whether it's a birthday mug, custom signage, or heartfelt stationery, your vision deserves to come to life exactly how you imagine it. Here's why creating your own design puts you in control. 1. Ultimate convenience. No more waiting around. With Canva, you can design anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or laptop. Need to tweak something last minute? You call the shots, without delays. 2. Say goodbye to designer hassles. Ever had to explain your idea over and over to a designer, only to still not get it right? Or paid extra for endless revisions? With Canva, you're the designer. No frustrating back and forth, no misunderstood ideas. Change fonts, colors, or layouts in seconds. Your creativity flows freely. 3. Own your artwork forever. Once you create a design, it's yours to keep and reuse. Forever. Lost the file? No problem. Your artwork stays safe in your Canva account, ready for future projects. 4. It's 100% free. Yes, really. No hidden fees, no expensive software. Canva's free plan gives you all the essentials to create stunning designs. There's nothing like the pride of seeing your design on a custom product. It's personal, it's meaningful, and it's uniquely yours. Are you ready to start creating now? Let's jump into Canva. Turn your ideas into reality. Click the Canva icon on the product page of Printonline.ae, then follow the simple steps. It'll take you to Canva's design platform. Sign up or log into your Canva account. This keeps your design saved and accessible anytime. Once signed in, you'll see our ready-to-use templates for your product. Just click and start editing. Don't see a template for your product? No problem. Open a new blank page in Canva and design from scratch. Canva's superpower: its easy-to-use interface. Drag and drop elements, tweak colors, or experiment with fonts. Everything is intuitive. Access millions of free assets, fonts, clip art, images, and videos to make your design pop. Want even more? Upgrade to Canva's paid version for premium features, but the free plan has plenty to get you started. Your work is saved automatically, but you can also manually save anytime, just to be extra safe. Ready to print? Here's how to share your design with us. Make a copy of your artwork. To preserve the original, click Share, copy link, and paste the editable link in the comment box during checkout. Our team will take care of the rest. Disclaimer: Canva is a trademark of Canva Pty Limited. Printonline.ae is not affiliated with Canva. Thank you for watching the video. Print on demand, almost anything, at Printonline.ae.